Hey, yo, we're back, another bang in the books. This is for the realest, you guys. Today we are actually diving into something special, and for the very first ever time, I'm actually reacting to live Lightning Crash. This is live at Woodstock 1999 East Stage. Are you guys ready for this one here? Because this song was actually suggested by my good friend Denny, and apparently it's one of those emotional, powerful rock ballads that honestly I've never listened to. Let me get into this. I'm so ready to share my honest raw reaction with you. Anyways, let's get it. What you got for us today? Let's go. And by the way, guys, look, we do react to legendary songs here on the channel on a daily basis, so don't forget to please smash that subscribe button and the like button. Now, what you got for us? What you got? All right. So the guitar is soft and steady, yeah?
Lightning crash. Sets in before the doubt can even close the door.
Wow.
Lightning crashing and old mother dies. Her intentions fall to the floor. All she ever wanted. The angel closes her eyes. The confusion that was hers will always know.
Oh my god, honestly, I'm gonna have to rewind that a little bit, but I just love how this guy's voice is so raw. You can tell, especially the way he's singing this. I'm just like, wow, he's basically putting a lot of feeling into this. It's such a great one. You look at the crowd, there is a lot of people. Seriously, they're spraying people with water just because of you see how cramped the place really looks. This is just crazy amazing. And the way this guy is delivering these lines, this is so haunting. It's like he's basically telling you a whole story while performing. It's absolutely really good to see, really good. Hello guys, I don't understand these lyrics word to word, but let's be for real. You can tell when I hear for this one here, I'm just thinking to myself, I'm like, this song is about life, it's about death, it's about something that is really personal, and I'm just watching the whole crowd sing along, locked in. I mean, this is just great. It's really good to watch, to see the song like this.
Oh, now feeling coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind, forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it, I know, I can feel it.
For me, it's just the way this guy's voice really opens up. You can really feel the release, and he is basically pouring everything out. You look at the band too, and I'm just singing to myself, I'm like, this band, they're basically ringing, the drums are hitting heavy, but still, it's not over the top. They're really locked in. The balance is on fire. I mean, we are talking about energy and emotion in one song. Energy and emotion in one song. Oh my days, guys. This was straight up just fire. You look at the whole crowd, you're talking about thousands and thousands of people sharing a moment like this. This is a dream come true. It's a dream come true for real. You guys, I needed a second after that. That was really powerful. I mean, it wasn't just a song, it's a whole experience. We are talking about the emotion, the storytelling, the way the crowd were locked on, and the way they were just having fun. I can see why my friend Danny suggested this song. By the way, you guys, I just want to double check with you. What are some of your favorite songs from this group? Kindly, please let me know, because I'm going to react to more of their songs. Of course, if you show me that you like this one here. So please, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, the like button as well. Anyways, with the realest, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Let's get it.